Welcome to CS 101. We're working on Excel Chapter 2, Project 2B, Weekly Sales Summary. Starts on page 392, 393. First thing you need to do is open your Excel program. And we're going to navigate to our student files. So we're going to go to Open, Other. And we're going to go to Computer, Browse. Oh, hope I found my flash drive. And we're going to go to Student Data Files. I'm going to find Excel Chapter 2. And we're going to open 02B Weekly Sales. Click Open. Okay. Close that line there. Now we need to go to File, Save As, browse to your flash drive again, and need to save it as your last name, first name, to be weekly sales. Make sure you're in Excel. Click Save. And we're going to start right there. Adjust my screen a little. Okay. We're going to zoom in just a bit so you can see a little more. Okay, it tells us to go to sheet 2 here at the bottom. Notice that we'll zoom in on this one as well. Notice it says A1 is in store. Okay, we're going to click the sheet 1 tab here at the bottom. And we're going to double click on it and it should highlight it. We're going to change the name to Online Sales. Press Enter. We're going to click sheet 2 and double click on it. And we're going to call it In-Store Sales. And press Enter. Okay, we're going to go to the In-Store tab. We're going to right click on it. And we're going to pick a color. It wants green accent 6. Okay, we're going to change the Online Sales tab to blue accent 5, which would be this one here. You click off to the other one. You see one's blue, one's green. And then we're going to click Save. Okay, we're going to go to Online Sales. And we're going to go to A16, which is right here at the bottom. We're going to see, we're going to go to the Home tab, Number Group here, and we're going to click the Number Format Arrow, which I believe is this one, and it brings up the format cells. We're going to come to Type, under Type here. We're going to click 3:14:12. I'm going to click OK. Click A19 and type in 6 tag 7 tag 16. Press Enter and it should have adjusted the date for you. Okay, we're gonna go to A19 again. We're gonna press Control and the semicolon. I don't think that was what it was supposed to do. Okay. Control and semicolon. When it changes that to a 10:15:3. It says press enter, and it changed that there. And of course it tells us to go back in and type in 6/7/16 and press enter. Okay. When we go to A16, we're going to click on the Home tab. In the clipboard group, we're going to click Format Painter. And then we're going to click 19 here, and it transferred it down. We're going to click Save. Okay, we're going to go to the online, make sure we're on the online sales. We're going to click A1. In the editing group, we're going to click Clear. And then Clear Contents. Cell A2, we're going to press Delete. A1, we're going to type in online sales. Okay. And click to check. Okay, we're going to go to the editing group. We're going to click Clear Formats. We're going to come here to 2, and we're going to click Clear Formats as well. We're going to come down to A16, and we're going to click Clear Formats again. And then it wants us to click the back button to restore it. Okay. I'm on page 397, Objective 9. Okay, we're going to go and select range A4 through A19. A4 through A19. There we go. Zoom out just a wee bit. There we go. A4 through A19. We're going to right click. We're going to click Copy. And we're going to click the In-Store Sales. We're going to point to A4. We're going to right click and we're going to go to the Paste options. And we're going to point to the first one and paste. We're going to go back to the online sales. And we're going to hit the Escape button and it turns off the moving box. And we're going to save. Next step, we're going to go to make sure online sales is active. We're going to go to A1. And we're going to point to right click. And we're going to select all sheets. I think I missed something somewhere. We're going to come down here, right click, and it should be select all sheets, so both of them are selected. We're going to select columns A through G, and we're going to set their width to 85. We're going to click A2. And we're going to type week of May 24th. We're going to click the formula bar. And then we're going to merge and center A2 through G2. And we're going to apply heading 1. We're going to click E4 and type total rows sales. We're going to press tab and rows supply sales. We're going to press tab again, and then we're going to type total sales. And press enter. Now it says select A4 through G4. We're going to apply heading 3. We're going to come over here and center them. And then we're going to click this one above it, which is middle align. And we're going to wrap text. We're going to click save. We're going to click on in-store to remove the grouping. Okay, we're going to click on online sales. We're going to click A1. And we're going to type in rose plants and rose supplies weekly online sales. We're going to keep it active, and then we're going to select A1 through G1 and merge and center. And we're going to come over to cell styles and make it the title. Okay, we're going to come over here and click F5 next. And we're going to enter in the following data. 1926.49, 1526.03, 1853.82, 1922.36, 1973.73, 2121.47, and 2025.55. Next, we're going to come over here to the in-store sales. And we're going to click on A1 and change it to rose plants and rose supplies weekly in-store sales. Okay, we're going to highlight A1 through G1, merge and format, cell styles, we're going to make it a title. We're going to click on F5, and we're going to type in the following information: 1626.59, 1483.69, 1778.94, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to delete that one. Okay, 1620, it'd be 1693.82. Next is 1778.94 and 1416.37, 1645.24, and 1493.47. We're going to save. We're going to right click on the online, select all sheets. We're going to go to E5. We're going to click Auto Sum. And press Enter. And it should be 5971.44. We're going to copy this formula down. And we're going to come to G5. We're going to type the equal sign. We're going to click E5. We're going to shift in the plus key. And we're going to click F5. And we're going to press Enter. You should end up with 7,897.93. And we're going to copy this formula down through the rest. And we're going to save. Okay, make sure the worksheets are still grouped, which they are. We're going to click in A12. We're going to type total. And then we're going to select the range B5 through G12. We're going to press the Alt key and the equal key, and it should auto sum everything for you. So we're going to click the Save button again. We're going to select A5 through A12. And we're going to come up here and make them heading 4. We're going to click B5 through G5. And we're going to press Control, and we're going to select B12 through G12. We're going to come up and apply the counting number format. Now we're going to select the range B6 through G11. We're going to apply the comma. And it says select B12 through G12. and apply the total cell style. So we'll come over here, click total. And we're going to go to Control Home. Makes A1 active. And now we're going to click the In-Store to cancel the grouping. And we're going to save. Oops. Save. Now if yours is doing the same thing mine is with the blank numbers, you can come up here and double click at the edge of each one. And I think I know why. It's because I have it zoomed in for you. So I'll zoom in just a wee bit more. Come back over here to. We're going to stay in the in-store sales. We're going to click New Sheet here. It's going to open up a blank new sheet. We're going to double click on it and rename it Summary. Press Enter. We're going to right click on it and change the tab color on it to Gold Accent 4. We're going to widen columns A through E to 110. A1 we're going to type sales of rose plant and rose supplies. We're going to merge and center. Oops. Across A through E, merge and center. And we're going to change it to the title. Now we're going to come to A2 and type week of May 24th. And we're going to merge and center as well. We're going to change it to heading 1. It says leave row 3 blank. So we're going to come down to B4. We're going to type roses / rose supplies. We're going to press tab. Type rose sales. Press tab. I'm going to zoom in real quick. Okay, so it should be on D4. Then type rose supply sales. Press tab again, which should put us in E4. Your book has a typo. It says E5, so yes, it should be E4. And we're going to type total sales and press enter. Now we're going to select the range B4 through E4. We're going to apply heading 3. And we're going to click center. And we're going to middle align it. And we're going to wrap text. Okay. I'm going to go to A5. We're going to type online sales. And press enter. and then we're going to type in store sales, and we're going to save. Okay, we're going to click on C5. We're going to type the equal symbol. We're going to click the online sales. We're going to click E12. And press enter. We're going to click here again, and notice how the formula up top has changed. Next we're going to go to D5. We're going to type equal sign in. We're going to go to the online stores. We're going to click F12, and we're going to press enter. And then we're going to do C6. Press equal, click your in-store. We're going to come to here, press enter, click enter, click your in-store, and we're going to go supply sales, press enter. And we're going to save. We're going to go to A7. We're going to type total. We're going to select C5 through E6. And we're going to auto sum. Okay. Let me look back for just a moment. Didn't think we did anything in row E yet. Okay, so you should display the $sign with a blank dash. C6. Okay, all my numbers look the same. We're going to display the in-store sales worksheet. We're going to click on B8. And we're going to type in 1410.88 and press enter. As you notice, all the numbers changed. We come back to our summary and we see that the totals were recalculated. We're going to select C6 through E6, and we're going to, interesting, we got to come up here to C5 and D5. We're going to click right here. We're going to click auto sum and press enter. Click here, and we're going to copy this style down to there. And it should look exactly like it does in figure 2.50 on page 404. Okay. We're going to select C6 through E6 here. We're going to change the format to a comma style. Remove the $signs. We're going to select C7 to E7. We're going to apply the total. And we're going to select A5 through A7. Make them heading 4. That looks good. We're going to save. We're going to click on B5. On the Insert tab, we're going to insert sparklines. Which is here. We're going to click column. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, in the data range, we're going to type in C5, D5. We're going to click OK. We're going to click B6. We're going to insert a sparkline for it as well. Column. We're going to type in C6, D6. Click OK. Okay. In the style group, it wants us to apply a style accent 4. No dark or light. Accent 4, no dark or light. And we're going to save. Okay. We're going to come down, we're on objective 12. We're going to point to the summary. We're going to hold down the left mouse button and we see a piece of paper. And it says drag to the left until it's to the left of online sales. So it should read summary. You're dragging around and rearranging the locations. Okay, we're going to make sure summary is active. We're going to right click and we're going to select all sheets. We're going to click page layout. Under page setup, we're going to click margins, custom margins. We're going to center on the page horizontally. We're going to head to header and footers. We're going to add a custom footer. And in the left section, you're going to, of course, add your file name. And click OK. Click OK again. Go to File. We're going to go Show All Properties. And as the tags, we're going to type weekly sales online, in store, rose plants, and rose supplies. Of course, your subject's going to be your CRN number. Make sure you're listed as the author. We're going to come over here, we're going to click print to print preview. And you can see that we have 3 pages. Come over here, we're going to click save. And we're going to right click, ungroup the sheets. And we're going to double click save. And that completes Excel Chapter 2 Project B. Thank you.